welcome back to my channel. This is Deju, and today I'm going to explain to you about our solar system. But first of all, what is our solar system made up of? Our solar system is made up of all the planets that orbit around our sun. Other than the planets, the solar system also has moons, asteroids, comets, dust, and gas. Everything in our solar system orbits around the sun. So, first of all, let's know more about the sun. The sun is the biggest star in our solar system, and the nearest star to Earth. Light from the sun reaches to Earth nearly to 8 minutes. Now let's talk more about our planets. The word planet comes from Greek, which means wandering star. Planets fall in two groups, the inner planets and the outer planets. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Well, also Pluto. Pluto's not a planet anymore. The outer planets are Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. Between inner and outer planets, there is a ring of small bodies, which are made of rock and metal. Those are called asteroids. And also, those rings are called the asteroid belt. Now let's roll on to Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the sun, and it is a small, hot, and solid planet. It takes Mercury less than 80 days to orbit the sun. Mercury has no moons. You know one thing about Mercury? If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you weigh 37 pounds on Mercury. It's so funny, right? Now let's roll on to Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun and the brightest planet in our solar system. Venus has no moons. Venus takes 225 days to orbit the sun. Venus is also known as twin or sister to Earth because of its similar size and mass. Its maximum surface temperature may reach 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That is so hot, it's just like boiling soup. Hot! Venus is also known as morning or evening star. Now let's roll on to Earth. Wow, Earth! I am so excited because we live on Earth. Yay! Earth is the only planet having life. Earth is also known as the watery planet because 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Earth is also called the blue planet. Earth takes 365 days to orbit around the sun. Moon is the only satellite to Earth. Now let's roll on to Mars. Mars is the fourth closest planet to the sun. Mars has a nickname called the Red Planet because of its rusty. There is a lot of iron in the soil on Mars. Mars has 2 moons. Mars takes 2 years to complete an orbit. Oh my gosh! Now let's roll on to Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and Jupiter has 16 known moons. 16! Oh my gosh! It takes 12 years to complete an orbit. 12 years! Oh my gosh! Now let's roll on to Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun and the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn has 7 thin black rings around it, and they are made up of billions of pieces of rocks and dust. Saturn takes about 30 years to complete an orbit. 30 years, that's a lot of days. Now let's roll on to Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun and the coldest planet in our solar system. Uranus and Neptune are both known as ice giants. Now let's roll on to the Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun and has the fastest winds in our solar system. Neptune is blue in color because of the methane gas in its atmosphere. Neptune takes 165 years to complete an orbit. Oh my gosh, 165 years? That's a lot of days. Neptune has 8 moons. This is our solar system. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye!